Hi guys, so today we're gonna be doing another video on conditional logic. So let's just start off with one basic example, then we'll go on nested conditions. So in this one I'm asking to give input for A and then he enters a number. Now you can just copy the same thing but this time for B. And then the same thing for C. Now, what you want to do is if A is greater than B and A is greater than C, not in the file, then print A, whatever the number is, then quotations is the greatest number. And then we're going to put a elif function here. Elif B is greater than A and B is greater than C. Then we can do print. Then just copy this but put B. Print B is the greatest number. And then lastly you can just put a else for C. Then we're going to do print. This time let's do C. So that is this example, and let's wait 1 second, I forgot to do this. There. Enter number. Let's just say A is 900, B is 20, and C is 50. Then let's say 900 is the greatest number. Wait, I spelled it wrong. Let me just copy this. There. So we'll do the same thing for B and C. Now, as we learned from last video what nested conditions is, let's do an example of it. Let's just get rid of that, put it here. This is an example of nested conditions. So let's just, first of all, let's just copy all of this. And let's do a hashtag to show what we're doing now. Nested conditions. There. Now, we put the same thing here. But this time we do if A is greater than B, and then if A is greater than C, then we will print. Second. So it's the same thing, but just the if statements are a bit different. Else. Okay, so what this is doing is it's checking if A is greater than B and if A is greater than C. If that is true, then A is the greatest number. But if it is not greater than both of them, then C is the greatest number because C is greater than A. So now let's do another one. And then else, let's say if B is greater than C, then we will print. So B is greater than C, and print B is the greatest number. Else print C is the greatest number. So this is a nested condition. Let's just run it. Let's say 10, 15, 20. In this one, C is greater than A, so there's that. But let's just say in this one, 100, 20, 10. then 100 is the greatest number. Now let's just say that B is the greatest number. So 100, 500, and C is 20. Say 500 is the greatest number. Now let's just say this is 100, this is 500, and this is 600. And 600 is the greatest number. So that was an example of nested condition. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.